Dividing housework with a roommate or partner. Hey, we need to talk about the chores. Hey, we need to talk about the chores.
Yeah, I was thinking the same. What's the plan? Yeah, I was thinking the same. What's the plan?
How about I do the cooking and dishes and you handle the laundry? How about I do the cooking and dishes and you handle the laundry?
That sounds fair. What about vacuuming? That sounds fair. What about vacuuming?
Let's take turns every weekend. Let's take turns every weekend.
Deal. And maybe we both clean the bathroom? Deal. And maybe we both clean the bathroom?
Yes, we can do that together once a week. Yes, we can do that together once a week.
Great. Let's start this weekend then. Great. Let's start this weekend then.
Explaining what you clean and how often. How often do you clean your apartment? How often do you clean your apartment?
I usually do a big cleaning every Saturday. I usually do a big cleaning every Saturday.
What do you clean first? What do you clean first?
I always start with the kitchen. I wipe the counters and mop the floor. I always start with the kitchen. I wipe the counters and mop the floor.
And the bathroom. And the bathroom.
I clean the sink, mirror, and toilet once a week. I clean the sink, mirror, and toilet once a week.
Do you dust the furniture too? Do you dust the furniture too?
Yes, and I vacuum the carpets every few days. Yes, and I vacuum the carpets every few days.
Asking for help with a chore. Hey, could you help me take out the trash? Hey, could you help me take out the trash?
Sure, when do you need it done? Sure, when do you need it done?
Before the garbage truck comes tomorrow morning. Before the garbage truck comes tomorrow morning.
No problem, I'll do it tonight. No problem, I'll do it tonight.
Thanks. Also, the recycling bin is full. Thanks. Also, the recycling bin is full.
Okay, I'll empty that too. Okay, I'll empty that too.
You're a lifesaver. You're a lifesaver.
No worries, happy to help. No worries, happy to help.
Talking about a messy or tidy home. Wow, your place is so clean. Wow, your place is so clean.
Thanks, I try to keep things tidy every day. Thanks, I try to keep things tidy every day.
I wish I was more organized. My place is always messy. I wish I was more organized. My place is always messy.
It helps to clean just a little bit each day. It helps to clean just a little bit each day.
That's a good idea. I usually wait too long. That's a good idea. I usually wait too long.
Try setting a 15-minute timer. It works wonders. Try setting a 15-minute timer. It works wonders.
I'll give it a shot. I'll give it a shot.
You'll be surprised how much you can do in a short time. You'll be surprised how much you can do in a short time.
Which sentence uses the correct modal verb for making a polite request? A. You must help me with the laundry. B. You shall help me with the laundry. C. Could you help me with the laundry? D. You will help me with the laundry. Which verb is correctly used in the present continuous tense? A. I vacuum the floor now. B. I vacuum the floor now. C. I am vacuuming the floor now. D. I was vacuuming the floor now. Which sentence is grammatically correct? A. She don't clean the kitchen often. B. She doesn't clean the kitchen often. C. She didn't cleans the kitchen. D. She isn't clean the kitchen. Which of the following is a countable noun? A. Dust. B. Laundry. C. Mop. D. Cleaning.